Hi everyone and a very warm welcome to BNSN The Weekend Edition. I'm Mubina Kapasi.
Hi everyone, I'm Avan Dabash and today on the show we've got lots lined up for you. So let's run you through what we will be discussing. First up, some stock queries that we've gotten on Apollo Tyres. We'll also be talking about Tata Communications.
And in a portfolio segment, we'll be discussing SS Mukherjee's portfolio.
Well, straight to it, let's bring on board our experts who will be helping us out this entire half hour. A.K. Prabhakar, Head Research, IDBI Capital Markets, is with us on the fundamentals. And we've got Sachitanand Dutekar, Technical Analyst Equities, Motilal Oswal on the technical side. Gentlemen, welcome to the show. Straight up, let's take in our first email query for the day. This one has been sent in from Govind Raju in Andhra Pradesh. So let's get in his query. Well, he's bought close to 800 shares at a price point of 40 rupees per share. He wants to know whether he should hold or sell with a time horizon of the next 6 months. Well, recently it's been in the news as UBS came out with a report maintaining a neutral stance on the stock with a target of close to 180, saying that there was a weak Q4 despite the commodity tailwind the company didn't deliver. They also spoke about how the EBITDA margin declined by about 30 basis points despite the low raw material prices. And UBS expects that the negative reaction based on the current results is likely to continue for some time, although the rise in rubber prices as well as other raw materials does remain a key risk. Well, Apollo Tyres currently quoting at about 160. Let's get in a call then as to what here our investors should do and what would you advise on the fundamental side, Mr. Prabhakar?
I will advise the investor to hold. I have a target of 185 rupees for the stock, and there is no major growth if you see the last 5 years. No, but the margins have been improving because of the lower rubber prices and lower crude oil prices. That is the only factor which is supporting the tire thing. But tire industry has corrected recently due to some fears of rubber prices going up and